Right, you can start light. Right guys, here are Helpston with Callow and Jamie. Now, this is for 1 hour 26, I believe. East Coast from Leeds to Peterborough. So it'll be coming from here to there. This is probably one of the first times Callow's done a recording over Skype, I don't know. Yeah. She's coming on the middle track. We have a green over in the middle. So yeah. And we're starting to pile up with queues. Not too much, but hey. Right. She did have the old lights, but I think that was back in 2009. She might have had them replaced about 2010, maybe. Not sure, because I've always been here when I've had the new ones. Yeah, she's got 4 Yodel arms, but I'm not going to show you this one because there's a stop line here. Skirts are flipping dirty. If you have a look at them. That barrier there is in better condition than this one. And it's finally stopped bouncing. There's 1 regular barrier over there, and then there's 3 high street ones. You can tell that because they got the string and the clamp. The clamp's a little white thing on the back. That's what I call him. Oh, it's cold today. I'm sorry for any wind that that occurs. Yeah, and I'm actually quite surprised. There's a lot of joggers out today. I think she's coming out. Yeah, here she comes. Let's have a look at the number. 82207 to 91 112, I believe. And there it goes. I'm gonna duck under the skirt and run across. There it goes, and